Israel's unveiled its latest artillery system, the Roem. This state-of-the-art system had its first operational firing in June and is slated for deployment with an Israel Defense Forces (IDF) unit in the coming year. The Roem system marks a significant advancement in artillery technology for the IDF. Spearheaded by the Defense Ministry and developed by Elbit Systems, the Roem is one of Israel's premier security projects. While the specifics of its internal components are classified, the system is anticipated to greatly enhance the capabilities of Israel's artillery units. Once deployed, the Roem will be integrated into the 282nd Artillery Brigade, part of the 36th Division. The system will slowly replace M109, with both systems operating concurrently for some time. In this video, Defense Updates analyzes why Israel's enemies should fear Roem artillery. Before we proceed, a word on NordVPN, which is one of the most trusted VPN brands worldwide that has a no-log policy validated by Deloitte, an industry-leading Big Four auditing firm. NordVPN provides an encrypted tunnel that protects your privacy by preventing external entry to your internet traffic, as well as enabling you to access content that's blocked based on geolocation. Best of all, with one NordVPN account, you can secure up to 6 devices at the same time. Get an exclusive NordVPN deal with massive savings by going to nordvpn.com/defense or clicking the link in the description. It's risk-free with Nord's 30-day money-back guarantee. For years, Israel's been working on rolling out a new type of futuristic artillery that's supposed to help transform the Israel Defense Forces into a superior fighting machine. The idea for the Roem project dates back decades when the IDF first envisioned a new artillery piece. In June, the IDF previewed the new system and released a video that stated, "The new cannon brings groundbreaking capabilities to the battlefield, significantly increases the rate of fire, allows for longer range firing than the existing cannons in use by the IDF today, enables independent and fast movement on roads, and boasts high mobility in the field." While the immediate differences might not be obvious, the Roem platform introduces 4 significant changes. In a demonstration by the IDF, the Roem was praised as the first cannon in the world capable of automatic firing. Roem is built from the ground up with automation in mind. This platform needs no manual input for tasks traditionally performed by soldiers, such as loading the cannon, which artillerymen have done for hundreds of years. The automation significantly increases the rate of fire and enables firing at longer ranges compared to existing systems. It also reduces the crew size required to operate the system, enhancing battlefield efficiency. The new system can fire 8 155mm rounds per minute, doubling the rate of the modern M109. Brigadier General Yair Natans, Israel's chief of artillery, emphasized the system's potential to transform battlefield dynamics. The new cannon brings groundbreaking capabilities, significantly increasing the rate of fire and allowing for rapid, independent movement. Major Nate Franz, head of department for the Roem, noted the automated firing process, managed by 3 soldiers from the vehicle's cabin, contrasts sharply with the manual operation of the M109. Israel's been using M109 for a long time. IDF used it against Egypt in the 1973 Yom Kippur War and in the 1982 and 2006 Lebanon Wars. A different kind of training will be required for this platform compared to M109, and IDF is working on this. Unlike the traditional M109 howitzer, which operates on a tracked chassis, the Roem features a large gun mounted on a wheeled vehicle. The Roem is based on a modified 10x10 US Oshkosh truck chassis. The IDF emphasized the system can move swiftly on roads while maintaining high maneuverability in the field. Major Nate Franz noted that the wheeled design of the Roem, similar to the new Iton APC, facilitates faster deployment and better maneuverability. Roem will move faster compared to the M109 howitzer. This basically means that it will be better suited for hit-and-run tactics. The system is supported by a munitions truck known as Alpha in the IDF. These trucks can automate the loading of munitions, further assisting crews in the process. The specifications remain classified. In 2023, a Ynet news report noted that the Roem project was veiled in secrecy due to its importance. The system is thought to be capable of firing at a range of up to 80 kilometers or 50 miles, depending on the shells used. This is greater than the baseline range of M109, which is 40 kilometers or 25 miles. The greater range would provide much better operational flexibility. Additionally, it can reportedly fire multiple shells sequentially at different trajectories for a salvo effect on the target. The compatibility with standard NATO shells means that IDF could easily get shells from allies like the US in times of conflicts, and there's excellent export potential. Lieutenant Colonel Eitan Gillis from the 405th Battalion stated that the system is more than just artillery. It will enable units to close the circle faster and improve the strength of the IDF. Closing the circle means the time it takes from when a unit wants fire support against a target to when the target is eliminated. A faster gun system can make that happen quickly. Israel's defense industry has established a reputation for innovation and excellence that's closely linked to lessons learned from the IDF's military operations on the battlefield. When the Roem is deployed, it will be implemented with insights gained from the war in Gaza and clashes with Hezbollah, which have seen an unprecedented use of artillery by the IDF. Artillery units have been employing the 155mm munitions used by the M109s at a high level in this conflict, providing close support to infantry and tanks more extensively than in past wars. Roem will enable the precise targeting of enemies very close to IDF troops. The introduction of the Roem will contribute to the broader technological revolution within the IDF, integrating F-35s with Eitan APCs, SAR-6 ships, and the new Roem cannons.
Subscribe for more videos like this. Hit the like button if you find the video interesting, and kindly provide your feedback in the comment section. This will help us improve.